Join Whatcom Land Trust to celebrate the legacy of conservation and restoration of Maple Creek Reach Preserve. Maple Creek Reach is a living demonstration of stewardship and partnership in action. Historically, this land was cleared, leveled, and used for dairy and agriculture. In 1998, as part of a restoration plan, Gary Gelling of Wandering Waters Farm, along with neighbor White Miller, joined the fight to save Nooksack River salmon by starting a planting project along their property next to Maple Creek. In 2003, Whatcom Land Trust acquired 78 acres of this property from Gary, and an additional 12 acres in 2010 and 21 acres in 2012. After more than 10 years, Maple Creek Reach today protects 111 acres. The surrounding fields and wetlands are a sanctuary for beaver, all 5 species of Pacific salmon, and other wildlife. Plus, it is a wonderful haven for human use. Please join Whatcom Land Trust Board, staff, and volunteers for an immersive experience in the land you have worked so hard to preserve and restore.